D-Rose. So I figured I'd do an intro video so you guys would know what to expect on my channel with the upcoming videos. So first and foremost about me, I am a mother of 2 boys with another on the way, as you can see. And this is probably a shocker to some Facebook friends and Instagram friends and some of my family, which please don't take it personal because I just told my mom recently. I've actually been waiting on the gender reveal to really tell anyone that's not super close to me. So again, don't take it personal. I'll be discussing the experiences with this pregnancy, comparing it to the other 2. Hopefully I will get to do a labor and delivery video if I'm able to take the camera in the room, which I'm pretty sure that I am. And you guys, like I said, will get to see the gender reveal. So I will also be discussing what it's like to deal with a child that has been diagnosed with cancer and undergoing chemotherapy and radiation, which I am blessed to say he is no longer diagnosed with cancer, and we are all done with chemo. However, we do still have doctor visits and scans that he's probably going to have to be doing for the rest of his life. So I will go into that and what that's like. I am in a relationship of 6 years. So I'll be discussing that as well as giving some advice and story time on just how we keep it going. You guys will get to see some pranks that we do on each other. And I'll show you guys some recipes that I do for my family. Only the best ones, of course, which is all the best because I'm a great cook. But anyways, so you guys will get to see that. I am a makeup artist and a photographer as well as a model. So I'll be doing some makeup tutorials, basic hairstyle tutorials, possibly some tutorials on how I set up or how I create my sets for photography. Maybe some behind the scene for photo shoots. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I kind of stepped away from the from photography just for moments to focus on a few other things. I'll also be discussing what it's like to walk away from the corporate world and to focus on your dreams, as well as what it's like to be a stay-at-home mommy. Pretty much you guys will get to see an inside of what it's like for D-Rose and my family. I will also be doing some cool things such as giveaways, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button to tune into every video. It will get pretty interesting and deep. If there's anything that you guys would like to see, any tutorials, please comment below, or you can also click the link in my banner to my Instagram page and just hop in my DMs, or you can also send me an email, which all of that information is on my homepage. Again, of anything that you guys are interested in seeing me talking about or tutorials. Yeah, so next up is the gender reveal. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.